In this video, I'll show you how to use document tables in ClickUp. To get started, open the ClickUp doc where you want to add a table. Document tables help you organize information into rows and columns, making them useful for comparing data, creating schedules, organizing notes, or presenting structured information. Click anywhere inside the document where you want the table to appear. Click the plus button on the left side of the editor. From the menu, select Table. A new table will be inserted into your document. Click inside any cell and start entering your information. Press Tab to move to the next cell, or click directly into another cell to continue editing. To add more rows or columns, hover over the edge of the table and use the plus button that appears beside the rows or columns. Click the menu beside the table, then choose whether to insert or delete rows and columns based on the changes you want to make. Using document tables helps keep information neat, organized, and easy to compare, making them useful for meeting notes, project plans, schedules, and other structured content. And that's how to use document tables in ClickUp. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down below.